Good morning, Manila present over here. My name is Shishwada Neha. I am from Standard 11 Commerce. Today I am studying here to give a speech on my topic is importance of equality in today's world. In today's world, discrimination in caste, religion and gender is being seen today. It is not been finished till now. Equality must be in a prior because each and every living organism created by God from God is equal. In gender, girls are not treated equally in comparison of boys. Freedom is not granted to girl, while as boy gets freedom. In caste, SC and ST gets all types of facility through government, but why OBC and general does not get and facility of government. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Khattar Vedic. I am studying in 11th standard. My school name is Unity High School. Today my topic is money can buy happiness. There are two types of answer, yes or no. We will discuss both. Can money buy happiness? Yes, it does. If we have money, we can buy anything which we want, like cars, homes, etc. To create our luxury life. There are two types of currency. First, money and second, happiness. We will discuss how to exchange money to happiness. First, there are two people who use money to make someone happy and indirectly get happiness by making other people. There are also two types of happiness. First, make happy by giving gifts and make happy by helping others. Second are those people who use money for their personal happiness. If they have more money, they can buy a luxury life for their self-satisfaction, and self-satisfaction make them happy. Can money buy happiness? No, it does not. Money can buy homes, not house. Money can buy clothes, not time. Money can buy bed, not sleep. Money can buy person, not family. As per my opinion, money can buy happiness. Yes, if we can utilize them properly. If they does not, we cannot buy happiness. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning, Manila present over here. My name is Kadeshwar Ditti. I am standing here for deliver my speech. Can money buy happiness? You work hard, you make money, you make it yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need that sponge that can observe all the negative and you become that person who can emit beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize you have changed someone's life, and because of you this person did not give up, that is the day when you life. Everything isn't that matter the most. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Radhya Salil. Today I am here to talk about whether money can buy happiness. There is an age-old question that continues to divide opinion. It is true that money can buy happiness. Currently, certain luxuries and comfort like a nice car, a house or the latest gadget. But despite having these things, happiness does not necessarily follow. At the end of the day, material wealth does not satisfy our emotion and spiritual needs. Love, acceptance and sense of purpose. His life cannot be bought with money. Money can buy a temporary distraction from our problems, but it cannot bring us a true lasting happiness. The key to true happiness lies in our relationship with others. Those who have strong, meaningful relationships with friends and families tend to be our happiest. It is also important that to appreciate and the simple pleasure in a life, unlike spending time outdoors, enjoying a good books, or simply taking time to relax. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning, teachers and all. My name is Karthik Naresh Goyal. My topic is can money buy happiness? Is generally happiness is difficult word for define to way of measure happiness different for everyone. Few people's trust can be money can buy happiness, whereas others disagree. According to me, a lot have lot money will provide us lot of way is entertain our service, but cannot be love have happiness. If most cases, people have to work hard to lot of money and due to which the happiness they have less time. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Abhishek Sani. I study in 11th Commerce. My topic is can money buy happiness? It's true that money can buy certain luxuries and comfort like a nice car, a house or the latest gadgets. But despite having these things, happiness doesn't necessarily follow. At the end of the day, wealth doesn't not satisfy our emotion and spiritual needs. Love, acceptance, and the sense of the purpose of the life cannot buy with the money. Money can buy us temporary distractions from the problems, but it cannot bring us to the lasting happiness. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning everyone, my name is CVMM. I am studying in 11th standard. Today's my topic is importance of equality in today's world. In today's discrimination in caste, religion and in general is being decreased nowadays, but we cannot say that inequality has been finished. Equality must inspire because each and every living is created from God and for God everyone is equal. In gender, girls are not treated equally in comparison of boys. Freedom is not generated to girls, while the boys get freedom. In caste, ST/SC get all types of facilities through government, but why OBC and general does not get these facilities by government? First, it is granted to lower caste. Government does not think that persons who deserve their government seat should get the seat. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is George Harris and I am studying standard 11 in Unity Public School. Today I am going to give a speech on can money buy happiness, yes or not. In my opinion, there are those people who get happiness by making others happy. And there are second people, those who get happiness by buying luxurious items for their personal use and their personal self-satisfaction. There are people who give gifts to others and gain happiness, and those who use money to help others. And money cannot buy everything. Like money can buy house, not home. Money can buy bed, not sleep. Money can buy clothes, not time. Money can buy food, but not appetite. In my opinion, it depends on how a person utilizes it. Happiness cannot be bought. It can be made by certain situations. Thank you.
My name is Arya Suresh Pai. I am studying in 11th standard. My topic is can money buy happiness. Money is one of the most important things of our life. If we have money, we can fulfill our needs, our dreams, and spend our life very happily. It is commonly said money can buy happiness, and it is also true. Like if we money or we are rich or little, we can help someone who is needy, and by helping others, we can get a peace of mind, or we can feel happy of life. In the other sense, in said that money can't buy happiness, and if we also do. If we have money, then we can't go through friends or relations. Buy only tangible things from money. Thank you.
My name is Devendra. I am studying in 11th Commerce. My school name is Unity Public School, and today I deliver the speech about the can money buy happiness or not. First of all, we talk about if you work hard, you make money. You eat for yourself. That's net life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help. You make their life better. You become better.
My name is Jadhav Vishal Ramesh Bhai. My topic is can money buy happiness. It must cases people have to work hard to lots of money, and due to which they have less time for their social life. Many businessmen work 6 days a week and earn good money, but they don't have the time to spend that money and remove stress. People have money, but if they don't have time to enjoy their life, then it is worthless. In general, happiness is a difficult word to define. The way of measuring happiness is different for everyone. Few people trust that can money buy happiness, whereas others.
Good morning, respected sir and my dear friends. Today we will talk about can money buy happiness. You work hard, you make money. You eat for yourself. That's not life. You got out, you seek for people who need you help. You make their life better. You become that storm that can absorb all the negativity, and you become that person who can emit beautiful positive vibes, and when we realize you have changed someone's life and because of you this person did not give up, that is the day when you knew everything